Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get API keys for your Google Maps. First, open your browser and search for Google Maps platform or go to mapsplatform.google.com. Click Get Started. Make sure you're signed in with your Google account. Agree to the terms of service by clicking Agree and Continue. Once you're in, click on APIs and Services. Again, agree to the terms if prompted. Now, you'll need to verify your payment information. Don't worry, you can still use the free tier. Enter your preferred payment method. Finally, click Start for free to get your API key. And that's it. That's how to get API keys for your Google Maps. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.